Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about competition in various sports at national and international level. There are a number of sporting events or games for which competitions are held at both national and international level. The competitions of various sports and games are national as well as international. The first one is athletics, basketball, badminton, cricket, football, hockey, swimming, tennis, volleyball, and extra. The first one is athletic. National Athletic Championship. This championship is organized by Athletic Federation of India every year at different venues in India. This is a national championship. Then World Athletic Championship. It is also called World Cup of Athletics. This competition is organized by International Association of Athletic Federation. It means International IAAF, International Athletic Federation. Third one is Interstate Athletic Championship. This championship is organized by the Athletes Federation of India. The athletes from various state athletic associations after the Athletic Federation of India participate in this championship. World Athletic Championship. Asian Games. Although many games are organized in Asian Games, but athletics is considered as the main competition. These games are organized after every 4 years by any one country of Asia. The host country is decided by Asian Games Federation. The first Asian Games were held in Delhi in 1951. Olympic Games, the athletic championship are the main attraction of Olympic Games. These games are organized after every 4 years. Only three times, example 1960, 1940, 1944. These games were not held due to World War. National School Games. In National School Games, athletic competition is also considered as a main competition. These games are organized annually by the School Games Federation of India. These games are organized for school-going children for various state and union territories of India. Next, State Athletic Championship. State Athletic Championships are organized in various states in which the athletes of the state take part. The State Athletic Association is responsible for organizing this competition. This championship is also organized every year. Inter-University Athletic Championship. This championship is also organized every year for the students of different universities of India. It is a national level competition of athletics. Next, European Cup, JC1 Trophy, Charminar Trophy, World Marathon Cup, Marshall Tito Trophy, Junior National Cup Athletic Championship, Federation Cup, World Indo Championship, World Cross Country Championship, World Race Walking Cup, Continental Cup, World Road Running Championship. Next, basketball. In basketball, the first one is European Cup, American Cup, Asia Cup, Service Trophy, Prince Basal Jha Trophy, National for Women and Men, BC Gupta Trophy, Federation Cup, Bangalore Blue Cup, C. Munich Swami Cup, All India Ramu Memorial Trophy, 2 World Cup, Trophy, 11 World Cup, 12 Olympic Games, 13 Junior National Basketball Championship, Next, Sub Junior National Basketball Championship, William Jones Cup, SM Arjun Raja Trophy. Then, some international and national competitions. Olympic Games. In Olympic Games, the basketball was introduced in 1936. Since then, basketball championship is begun held at every summer Olympic. Asian Games. The basketball championship is been held in Asian Games since 1951. As a part of these games, National Basketball Championship. This is a national championship of basketball for men and women. The first National Basketball Championship was held at Bangalore in 1952. It was organized by Basketball Federation of India. Then Prince Bashar Jha Trophy. It is a national championship of basketball for men, for women. Next, badminton. Thomas Cup World Team Men. Uber Cup World Team Women. William World Cup, European Cup, Punica Cup, Yonex Cup, Olympic Challenge Cup, National Women. Narang Cup, National Junior Team Men. Surfi Qureshi Cup, National Junior Team Women. Mayor's Cup. Then 555 World Cup, China Cup, Olympic Games in cooperation with IOC, World Junior Championship, Sudhirman Cup, Super Series Premier, Grand Prix Gold, International Challenge, Senior National Badminton Championship, All India Badminton Championship. In some level of competition, just examples. Thomas Cup. Thomas Cup is the international men championship. This championship was started in 1948. It is held after every 3 years. Uber Cup. Uber Cup is the next international women's championship. It was started in 1956. This championship is held after every 3 years. The England Championship. This championship was first held in 1899. It was the premier tournament of the world. Then World Cup. The World Cup tournament was started in 1981. It was started to provide an opportunity to earn more money to the top badminton players. Asian Games. In Asian Games, Badminton Championship was started in 1962. National Badminton Championship. It is the championship of India for men and women. Interstate Badminton Championship. It is a national level championship in which the state association of badminton set their teams. ICE Cup. It is the cricket. Next game, cricket. ICE Cup. This cup played between Australia and England. It is a test series. Then World Cup. It is a day international competition. It is held after every 4 years. The first World Cup was organized from June 7, 1975 at Lord's Stadium, England. The first match was played between India and England. In the beginning, this cup was named was Prudential Cup. The later on, this cup was named was World Cup Cricket on June 9, 1979. Since 1999 World Cup, its name was been changed permanently as ICC Trophy. India won the World Cup in 1983. Rohinton Bariba Trophy. This is a national level tournament. This trophy is awarded in inter-university cricket tournament. It is held every year. Second Trophy. Second Trophy is awarded in the interstate schools cricket tournament. Ranji Trophy. The Ranji Trophy was launched as the Cricket Championship of India at a meeting of the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) in July 1934. The first Ranji Trophy fixture took place in 1934-35, with Bombay walking away with the top one. Irani Trophy. The Irani Trophy was convinced during the 1959 to 1960 season to commemorate the 25th year of Ranji Trophy Championship. The tournament was named after the late J.R. Irani, who was associated with the Board of Control for Cricket in India since its inception in 1928. Dulip Trophy. The Dulip Trophy, named after Kumar Sri Dulip Singh Ji, was launched by the BCCI to, sir, to expose more competition in the India cricket arena. The tournament was proposed to help the national selectors in ascertaining the form of cricketers. Devdar Trophy. The Devdar Trophy was started in the 1973 to 1974 as a one-day equivalent of the Ranji tournament. It is named after the grand old man of cricket, the late Professor D. Devdar. It is played between the first five Indian cricket zones: the North, South, East, West, and Central zone. Challenger Trophy. The Challenger Trophy begins in India in 1994 to 1995. In 1998 and 1999, it was renamed as NKP Self Challenger Trophy in honorable of NKP Self, the person who was instrumental in bringing the World Cup to the country in 1987. It is played between the Indian national team along with two other teams, India A and India B, consisting of the most promising India cricketers at domestic level. Indian Premier League (IPL). IPL is the latest and one of the major revolutions of India in India cricket. The BCCI run the 2020 format tournament in India. This tournament was started in 2008 after the first T20 World Cup, in which India was the champion. It provided opportunity for young talent to play and learn with the top of international players of the world. Thank you, student. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. There are some spelling mistakes like in challenging trophy. देखो, in India, who solve the person who, not who. Thank you.